today it is Coco Day. Not as in drinking chocolate cocoa, but as in Coco, the mystery connection pin. And I'm very fortunate. I've got 12 boxes to open for you. So catch me at the other side of the intro and let's see what I've got. Hopefully no duplicates. See you the other side. Hit it, Maestro. I am so excited. I cannot believe how lucky I am. I was sat there last week and my lovely friends Abby and Hope, who, if you haven't checked out their channel yet, the link will be in the description, but go and check out their channel. They're crazy. They're really crazy. Maybe that's why they're friends with me. They're crazy and they like to have lots of fun like I do. And they messaged me and I said, Karen, these have come out. Do you want any? Do I want any? Let me think about that for a nanosecond. Yes, please! So it was the first time that they'd offered to pick me up some things. And when they said, how many would you like? 12, please! Which is a bit naughty and a bit cheeky. The first time anyone picks you anything up and you ask them for so many. But they were wonderful. They grabbed them for me. And yeah, I've paid for them. Well, I have. But I sent the girls money, but that's why I've been able to get so many. I've been thinning down my collections, if you don't know. I've been posting them on different sites on Facebook and selling a lot of my pins because I know you've all asked me, Karen, show us your collections. There were too many. Basically, I think from May through till December, even when we were there at Disneyland at Christmas, I was just buying any new release pin. I'm guessing it's like a learning curve all the new pin collectors go through, and I was just collecting anything and everything, which is great, but it really drains the funds. I did. I sold a lot, and so with the money that I've accumulated, I've been able to buy all these pins. So really I've swapped. So yes, I paid the girls the money, of course I have, but really it's like swapping pins for pins, so I don't feel so bad. And I was able to tell Bill I got them without him going mad at me because it's just my little pin fund money. So so that's how I did that. So I was absolutely thrilled. And I have to say, I don't know what I've got. I'm very nervous. I am a completist. I don't think I'm ever going to try and be a pin completist because I've decided now going forward I'm just going to buy the pins I really want. The ones that I think are beautiful, unique, glitzy, that's all I'm going to be buying. That's the plan. However, with connection sets, I want to complete them, of course I do. It's like a challenge, and I'm always a girl up for a challenge, and I'm always the one that likes to win, so yeah. So I've asked the girls, and they've actually grabbed me another 3 boxes, so I've got 15 in total, which there's 10 pins in the set, and 2 of them are actually chasers, so there's 12. So why do I need 15? Just to edge my bets a bit really, because I'm going to get duplicates, I know I am, but when you're trading, because I trade a lot on the Disney Kitty pin site, when I go on there and I trade, you want several options because someone who's got the pin you want, you might not have the pin that they want, so if you've got different options, then you're better chance of completing. So that's why I've done that. Yeah, I'm thrilled. And they did pick me up another pin as well. Let me show you this one. This is beautiful. The pop-up books, absolutely beautiful. And I think this is going to be like the new doorways to Disney pins. And you've got inside the subscription with Alice. You've got that, and look, it's a pin on pin. It's absolutely, we see it close up on my face then. It's absolutely stunning. So they grabbed me that one as well. So thank you so much, girls. Yeah, we're meeting up this summer. I think we're going to do a tour, but that's what we're planning on doing. So that's going to be great fun. yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. So that hopefully we will have planned before this even goes up. So yeah, lovely young ladies, go and check them out, and really nice hearts, nice hearted young women, so who are a lot of fun. So pins, I'm going to take the backs off as we're doing it. And if anyone wonders, I keep these, you know, these all these Hong Kong mystery pins I get, and I put my little backers in here. It's great. I've got a huge bag from the ones that are on my big pin boards, but for, you know, your little ones, they're great, and it just keeps them nice. So that's what I use mine for. Oh, and one last thing, my ears, my fairy godmother ears. Everybody asks me about these. They're absolutely beautiful. You've got shooting stars this side, and she sent me a card with my last pair, and they're by Made for Mouse. She's based in the UK. She's up in the Wirral, Nikki. She's on Instagram, and she's also got an Etsy shop, and she's a lovely lady, so go and check her out. And her ears, I have to say, they're quite inexpensive, and they're really lightweight, so yeah. Right, okay. You tell I'm putting it off. I'm putting it off. Okay. 12 boxes. But I like the connections, and it's like the next one I think is up, unless they sneak one in between and I collect up, so I need to sell more pins. Anyway, box number 1, throw! Engulf me, we need to start the good vibes. Okay, let's get them going, because I know they've got to travel across transatlantic, haven't they, from America? From Australia, is that the Pacific? I did do geography as an A level at school, but yeah, yeah, I got a U. From South Africa, what oceans are those? From Europe, it's the Channel. Yeah, so wherever you live, let's allow, I'm just, because the first one, it doesn't matter, so I'm giving travelling time. Now, this, I think, is his mom. These are really pretty. I wasn't sure what they'd be like, because on the pictures, they look really flat. These are really pretty. It's like a metallic purple. I've got his mom, and is that his granddad? But I think that is, well, it's Coco's mom, isn't it? Oops, I'm going to lose a grip of these. So, can you see the sheen? It's a lovely purple sheen. It's not glittery. I didn't know what it was going to be, because obviously it's Coco, isn't it? But these are really pretty. So that's the first one, and that is just a normal limited edition of 900. Oh, I haven't shown you the ones we can get, have you? See, I'm so excited. Right, so then, those are all the puzzle pieces. Obviously, I'm after all of them, and there's 2 chasers. So they are all 900, so there's been 900 of each made, and 500 of the 2 chasers, which aren't shown on the back. And I'm not sure which they are. So if we get one that's not on there, we'll know. So let's put it on my board, so put it more that side. Right. Box number 2. Did I threw that box right? Box number 2. Yeah, I can feel Europe's. I can feel Europe's waves are good luck hitting me now. Yeah, we need Concord to get them from the other places. Anyone watching this for the first time will think I'm crazy. I am. I like to have fun. Right, next one. Let's see what we've got for the next one. And we have got, oh, we've got Dante. Okay, so this is Dante in his dog form, not in his spirit form. And this is a regular pin, and this one, it hasn't got any glitter or sheen in, it's more flatter. But then with Coco, with it being about death as well, I suppose you couldn't really put glitter in it, could you? But very nice pin, very nice indeed. So that's number 2. Oh, hang on, America just hit. Australia, what's keeping you? Right, okay, so where's he go? He goes there, right. Okay. Okay, Right, box three. Australia, I need you to come in. Come in, Australia. Your time is up. Come in. Right. I can feel all the good luck. And I've got Hector. Oh, that's really nice. And he is a 900. I'm not even looking for the chasers at the minute. I'm just opening the pins. So look, isn't he lovely? Really, I love that purple. That's like the new purple potion is, isn't it? Really pretty purple. Really, it's got a sheen to it. It's not glitter, but it's got like a sheen. It's a bit like, you know, 2D. It's got real depth of colour. Is that how we'd say it? Right. So where's he go? He goes. Oh, he goes next to his wife and his granddad, his wife's dad, whoever he is. I don't know whoever he is. He goes next to him. So we've got 2. Right. Okay. Fourth box. Okay. Got Miguel. Oh, that's a nice one. And this is just a normal one as well. It's not a chaser. So we've got Miguel in the guitar. Isn't that lovely? And he's put his makeup on. Isn't that lovely? These are really, really pretty. And he goes next to Hector. Okay. Next. Okay, Australia. I can feel the edges. I can feel it. Come on. Oh! I've got everyone's look now. I feel loved. Did I feel lucky? Right. How's this one? This is a normal pin as well. What have we got? Oh, we got our first duplicate. So I've got a spare Dante. So that'll be my first trader. Okay. Next pin. Oh, and I got another one. I've now got 2 Dantes. But I've got 3, haven't I? 2 spares. Right, okay. No more Dantes. Australia, you might need to take your look back. He's not helping. I don't want to be ungrateful, but come on, Kelly, send me some. Right, who else? Right. Oh dear me. We got another Miguel. We got another Miguel. See, this is the problem. This is why you need spares, because to complete it, otherwise it's a bit of a nightmare. Right, okay. Next box. Okay. So you think in that one? No. Okay. Now we got Miguel again, but this is a different one. So this is a regular one as well, but this is him playing the guitar at the end for Nana Coco, Mama Coco even. So, so I've just realised with these pins, what they've actually got is they've got a live form and then they've got the death form underneath, if that's the right words to say it as, but you know what I mean. Right, next one. Okay. I've got the baddie, I've got Ernesto. It's really nice though. We all like a baddie, don't we? Ernesto. Right, and he goes right at the end. So at the minute we have got 4 out of the 5 bottom pieces and 2 out of the top, but we haven't got any chasers yet. Okay, let's try and want some chasers. No, I've got another normal one. Oh, but I've got Mama Coco. I've got Mama Coco. And she goes, yeah, she goes next to Miguel because he's singing to her. Of course she does. Okay, we got 2 boxes left. And we haven't got any chasers. Normally I'm quite lucky and I get lots of chasers. And this is just a normal one as well. Oh, and I've got another Ernesto. And those are the back. Just tells you that. And it can, if you can see, it says just a limited edition of 900. So, last box, will we get a chaser? Will we get just one? Just one? Just one? Shall we? Shall we see? Shall we see? If it was, I'd like Dante in spirit form. It's a chaser pin. Okay, it wasn't Dante. I can live with that. But look! It's Hector and his wife. Oh, that's really pretty. Now, I don't know where that goes, so I'm going to have to look that up on Instagram and find out where this chaser goes. So, do you know, I haven't done badly at all. I've got 8 out of the 12 pins. That's not bad, is it? I've got the 4 chasers. Sorry, I've got four to trade. I've got 3 more pins coming. And I just need 1 chaser, so that's not bad. I'm quite pleased with that. So yeah, my luck's not doing as well as it used to, is it? How are you? It's you. Oh, all the lovely comments below. They're telling me about what good luck I've got. I know this happens, but anyway, I'm quite pleased actually. 8, just four for me to chase after now, if you like the pun. So yeah, so thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Give me the thumbs up, and don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. That just means I become one of your favourites on your notification roll. And if you click the notification bell, all that means is they'll send you an email to say I've posted a video, and then you can look, see if you want to watch it or not, and just delete the email either way. So it's just a nice way of keeping in touch and not missing out on any videos. So yeah, so thank you so very much. Take care, be kind, be good, and I'll see you really soon. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.